Good afternoon. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with a special afternoon winter storm video forecast discussion for the 1st of January 2014. Good afternoon. Latest water vapor imagery shows the two distinct areas where there was a dry slot before over the Mississippi and Tennessee Valley into northern Texas is becoming less apparent as we go through the afternoon because the northern stream low here over Colorado and the northern Midwest and the Central Plains wants to begin the merger process here with the low pressure developing in the Gulf of Texas. This is a very active subtropical jet stream feed here, all the way from southwest of Mexico all the way through the southeastern states and off the northern mid-Atlantic coast states. The high pressure center, which is in control now, will begin to shift further out to sea, and these two areas will begin to combine. There is an Arctic frontal boundary to our north that is slipping south very begrudgingly. This whole thing will become a focus mechanism for winter storm potential situations, setting up with moderate to heavy snowfall and then snowfall banding across the region on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. First off, bands of snow entering and exiting off of the Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, Lake Erie here. This is producing light snow now across the Poconos. Some of this snow has been modeled by the HRR and some of the other mesoscale models to get into Monroe and Sussex County, New Jersey this evening. There could be a light coating of snow on the ground, so use caution when traveling this evening. This area here where the snow is already expanding and breaking out is ahead of the Arctic front, which lies to our north and west across the region. It's this frontal boundary and the storm system forming off the mid-Atlantic coast where snowfall is going to increase and expand across the region during tomorrow. First of all, areas that had winter storm watches in northern New Jersey now have gone over to winter storm warnings. When the National Weather Service places watches going over to warnings, they're almost imminent, and we're going to receive at least 6 inches of snow, if not better than 10 inches of snow, across portions of Morris County, Sussex County, and Warren County. Sussex and Warren County, also into northeastern Pennsylvania. These were watches before earlier today. Now they're warnings. All throughout northeastern New Jersey into New York City and Long Island, the same kind of thing. We're going to experience 6 to 8 inches of snow across this region with winter storm watches still in effect. These will probably go up and change over into warnings during the next package this afternoon or evening. Now, the thing that has changed this afternoon is that we didn't have any watches or warnings in advisories in effect south of 78. That's because the National Weather Service didn't feel so at the time. Now these are all winter storm watches in effect, and these include watches for generally 6 to 10 inches of snow north of I-87. That includes Trenton, I-78, excuse me, and west of I-95 and 287 north. This is for 6 to 10 inches. Central and southern New Jersey, here 3 to 7 inches. And also in the 6 to 10 inch range here, this whole area actually could be in a 6 to 10 inch range depending on the snow banding. Right along the immediate coast, we're expecting between 3 to 7 inches of snow along central and coastal areas here. This would be Ocean, Monmouth County, all the way down through central and southern New Jersey, excluding Cape May County at this time. Watches, warnings, and advisories for the gale watches on the New Jersey, New York coastal waterways have not changed since this morning. Continuous live coverage continues on both Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and I'll be back with a detailed video forecast discussion at around 5:30 this evening.